Sophia is a wellness coach who just had a discovery call. Here's what I captured. Now I need a client-ready scope brief fast. This is the Service Delivery Strategist, a Notion agent with 3 modes: discovery to scope, scope to proposal, and scope to delivery plan. Here's how this works. I type in mode 1, and then I mention my Service Delivery Strategist agent. It's asking if I want to invite this agent to the page, and I grant it edit access. And now I can go to my agent, open it up to see that it is now going to start running. So it will show up here in recent activity. And so here it is. Now I can open the page and see that the new content is loading. Now I can see that my agent is running. So before the agent can fully run, it's asking 8 questions for me to clarify, or I can type in assume and the agent will be able to proceed with the stated assumptions. And so after I answer the 8 questions, I can go back to my agent chat and let them know that I have answered the questions. Now we can open up the scope brief, the new page that the agent has created. This is now what I would be sharing with the client. Now I can take the scope brief and run mode 2. Running mode 2 will get me a client-ready proposal and statement work in one more pass. It used to take me 2 hours of post-call cleanup. Now it takes me under 5 minutes. Scope creep doesn't stand a chance.